Hi guys, I am Kavita. You're watching Kavi's vlog. If you're new to this channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and also bell notification right next to it so that you'll notified whenever I come up with a new video. By the title as well as the thumbnail of the video, you already got to know what I'm doing to show you in this video. So in this September, there was a Ajio Mania sale, 80 to 90%. So I've shopped quite I've shopped quite. Um, so let me start one by one. Without wasting our time, let's get into the. So this is the one top which I got. This is a black top which has a print or the girl print or a graphic print all over it, and it's a cotton material. I've worn it many times, but it has not faded. This is as exactly as shown in the picture, and this is by the brand Rio, and this is in the size large. I don't think it is like large, but it fits me like small. Okay, let's move on to the second top which I got from the Ajio website. This is the second top which I got from the Ajio website. You can see it is a multicolor striped top which fits me way too large. So I'm in the size L in this, but I picked up a little bit loose fit in this. So this is by the brand Steam Spirit. You can see it's very soothing, very comfortable material. Please, if you're watching, if you want to buy anything from the Ajio, please get your hands on this, because this is such amazing material. You can just wear it at home and chill, or you can wear it in the summers also. It is such good material. Next one is, sorry, I'm keeping here. The next one is the tank top which I got from the Ajio. You can see it. Yeah, it has a knot. It has a tying. You can tie the knot over here in at the bottom, something like this. So it has a button all over it. So it has a button all over it in the front. It is like a tank top. You can see it is like a tank top. So I got it in the size medium, but it fits me way too large. I don't think I can wear this, probably because it is not body hugging or not. It exposes everything. If I can, I will return it. Otherwise, I cannot do anything. I have to wear it at home. So let me move on to the pant now. This is a jeggings, black jeggings. It has a side zipper. You can wear it by opening this one. It has a zipper on both sides. You can see the zip quality is amazing, and the quality of the pant is amazing. You can see it's so nice and soothing material. You don't feel any irritation. You don't feel like you're wearing that tight jegging, but it feels very nice like a trouser. So if you want any soothing pant which hugs your body nicely, give you a shape, so you can go for this. This is the brand. The brand is Rio, and I'm in the size M, medium. Yeah, this fits me very well. Yes, I've washed it many times and wore it many times. The color has not faded. The material and everything is so perfect. You can get your hands on this if you want a perfect joggers, or you perfect. It also functions as a trouser. You can find this kind of in other websites also, but I got in the Ajio, and the material is soothing, and it's not irritating material, and it's a very good product. I'm happy with the purchase. The next and last product which I have is from the brand Levi's. You can see, and by the way, I'm going to mention all the products prices somewhere here on the screen or in the description box. Please check out, and also I'll make sure that I'll give all the links of the product so that you can purchase if you want it. So I got the Levi's from jeans from the Ajio website. This is in the size 32. You can see this is in the size 32. It is shaping skin. It says a shape. This is a very soothing material and it fits very large for me. You can see it is a basic blue jeans, solid color and soothing material, but it just fits me so large. So I have already given a request for exchange. I will be taking in the size 28 or 30. Since it is too large for me, one for a exchange request, and the material is really good. And this is the first pant I'm wearing from the brand Levi's, and overall nice experience. But the size, I got it in the sale for the rupees 1000, I think under 1000 or 1300, and for the price point this pant is just amazing. If you are looking for any good pant, get this pant for yourself. It just fits, it does not fits me well, but it just very nice material. It is the cotton blended material and very nice fabric. You don't feel that jeans as irritation, itchiness when you wear this. I've already worn, so I have given a request for 30 size. If that also does not fit me, unfortunately I have to return my order. I'm so unlucky if I don't, if the 30 sizes does not fit me. Anyways, let's hope for the best. So by saying this, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give me that huge thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, like this video with your friends, and until the next video, bye.